Hey there, Integra owners, and some of you older Gen Civic guys. Do you have that HVAC fan issue where it only runs on speeds 3 and 4? Well, I got a pretty quick and easy repair for you that I think you can do, so stay tuned.
So this is the area of the car that we're going to get into to get at that part that we need to replace. It's going to be a resistor module, and so you can't just get at it. You got to take this glove box door off, and there are a couple screws, this one here and this one, that one there. So just unfasten them. So once you've unfastened the Phillips or 5/16 bolts, it'll be hanging like so, and you just need to unlatch it and bring it out of the way. There's that spring there, that'll just pop out. And next is this couple screws here holding the module down. So they're star screws, and we'll just take that out. Okay, then once you got the two star screwdrivers loose with you're gonna need a shorter screwdriver. You can pull it out and pinch the clip there and just undo the connector. So here we got the new and the old parts sitting beside each other, and so there's going to be your part number. I got mine off AliExpress, 13-14 Canadian bucks. This is what the old one what it happens to it. It overheats and the wires just bust up. I had the wires pinched back together, and it gave me a couple extra weeks, but it's failed again. So, and like I say, it's the same part that the Civic uses. And as you could see, it's a fairly simple process, and I know you can do it. The installation is just the reverse of the disassembly, so I'll go ahead and get that finished up and see the results.
Well there folks, I hope I had enough detail in there to help make you more confident that you can make that repair too. I've got it all back together, so let's see the results. One, 2, 3, 4 speeds. Awesome. That's great. I'm so happy to have that back, functioning properly. Well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.